how to unpin a TikTok video. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here as you can see, I'm already on my TikTok app and I have 3 videos that I have pinned. So if I want to unpin a video and then pin another one, you just have to click on that video that you want to unpin. So I will go with this one, and from here you want to click on those 3 dots from the right bottom corner and then click on the third option from the bottom of the screen, which is unpin. So now you are able to pin another video. So I will go to this one, and if I want to pin this one instead of that first video, click on those 3 dots and then hit on pin. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.